Yeah guys, I'm out here testing the Cybertruck, you know. It's pretty nice.
That's good. You can check the thing in the back?
Hmm?
You can check the thing in the back? Oh yeah.
Yeah, open it.
Yeah, check.
See? Yeah, so we're out here testing right now, guys. Hopefully maybe get one of these. Yeah. What you guys think? So, hopefully it's catching it properly.
A drive?
You like it? Wanna be a YouTuber right there.
Hey, can you close the door from the inside?
I don't know, try and see. Oh, you see that? You can adjust the tire pressure. Don't do it though, but you can adjust it. That's pretty cool. So if you're doing sand, you can put it in the sand mode, which is low. So it has better traction.
It looks like, so it can go down like a car?
Not going on like a car, but it deflates the tires, so it has better traction.
Can you get out this?
Yeah, jump out. It's nice. And that's how you close the front.
Yes.
Oh, you can do the back from here too. Do the back. Hold on, pause it. Oh, look, it's in the back. So don't. Yeah. So look, I can control it from the front. I didn't know. Go ahead, Chase.
Huh?
Press it. Go ahead.
Yeah, I got it.
That's open. Close. Press close. Pretty cool, eh?
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
Not bad, eh?
Curious, maybe you should take it slow, mysterious. That's the part you always show. You're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
it would be more like brrr, and because of the wheels and stuff. Yeah, it's pretty comfortable. Yeah, we need one. Man.
Reaching for stars. I wonder where you are.
I thought it would be uncomfortable and like a vehicle that take up the whole road, but it's not. Just pretty surprising.